If you'll notice, I have a Z front-end and a Z back-end file here, both of them with a .py extension. You don't have to worry about making the database. ZFE and ZBE will make the database and the necessary tables. If I right-click on ZFE.py and go to Open With and choose Python exe, what happens is that when I double-click on ZFE.py, like so, it opens up the program automatically. And that's what it looks like. This is a GUI question and answer program. You can open up your database records. You can delete records, add records, update them, find them, which I never use, clear off the screen, and exit. First, let's go and grab all of our records. Here they are. Now when I click on this record 1, you'll see it puts the question on the left, the answer on the right. How many groupings of addresses? 3. I can hit the down arrow key or click on the next record. Name of groupings, classes. I'll hit the down arrow key. Specific classes are A, B, and C. As you can see, I'm doing IPv4. Determine the class an IP address belongs to by doing what? Looking at the first octet. So now I see address. Oh my goodness, I should have keyed in ADDRESS. Now I've made changes to this, so I'm now going to click on Update, and it's done. Now if I want to clear this out, I can clear this out by clicking on Clear. As you can see, that clears the screen. It does not clear the record out of the database. That would be delete. Now I go down to the end of my database table. I want a little record in there that says that's the end of lesson 3. Let me clear this out, and I'll key in just a little message for me. End of, and then Control Tab over, and lesson 3. I'm going to click on Add Record, and scroll out to the top. I go down to the bottom. There it is, end of lesson 3. So you can see that we can get our Q&A records, etc., and delete, add records, update them, clear that off, and finally exit. Click on Exit, and it's gone. As I mentioned earlier, don't worry about the questions.db. Just put these 2 files into a separate directory, double-click on ZFE, and it'll make this database and the necessary tables within. In subsequent lessons, I'll do walkthroughs of the code so you can see how this is actually being done. And this is George Bull. Please share and rate, and I wish you lots of luck. Bye-bye now.